What if I told you some of the coolest gadgets on Amazon are hiding in plain sight? Today on RevX, we've uncovered 15 insanely clever products that can make your life easier, your setup smarter, and your friends wonder where you found them. One of these gadgets can transform the way you use your phone. Another feels like it came straight out of the future. And the most surprising one costs less than a fast food meal. If you see something you like, you'll find links to every product featured in this video down in the description below. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to RevX and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech discoveries. And here's a challenge. Drop a comment and tell me which gadget you think deserves the #1 spot. Chances are the real winner won't be the one you expect. Let's kick things off with number 15.
Number 15. LED USB clock fan. This isn't just a desk fan, it's a gadget that looks straight out of the future. Plug it into any USB port, and as the blades spin, a bright LED clock appears floating in midair. It honestly looks like a hologram. The soft PVC blades are safe to use, and the flexible neck lets you aim the cool breeze exactly where you want it. Perfect for your desk, laptop, office, or gaming setup. No batteries, no apps, and no complicated setup. Just plug it in and enjoy a cool breeze while keeping track of the time. For such a simple gadget, it's surprisingly fun, practical, and guaranteed to get people asking, "Where did you get that?"
Number 14. 8-bit DOE Retro Mechanical Keyboard. If you're a fan of retro gaming, this keyboard is going to hit you right in the nostalgia. Inspired by classic gaming systems, it combines vintage style with modern performance. It features 87 mechanical keys with clicky Kyle box white switches that feel incredibly satisfying every time you type. The hot swappable design lets you change switches without soldering, so customization is easy. But the coolest part? It comes with programmable keys, dual super buttons, and a giant super stick that can be customized for shortcuts, macros, or gaming commands. Compatible with Windows and Android, this keyboard also works with 8-bit DOE software for complete key remapping and personalization. It's retro on the outside, but packed with features that make it feel completely modern.
Number 13. Levitating Bluetooth speaker. This might be the coolest speaker you've ever seen. At first glance, it looks like a tiny UFO floating in midair, but that's exactly what it's doing. Using magnetic levitation technology, the speaker hovers above its base while slowly rotating 360 degrees, creating a futuristic display that's impossible to ignore. And it's not just for looks. The built-in speaker delivers rich 360-degree stereo sound, filling your room with music from every direction. With Bluetooth 5.0, it connects instantly to your phone, tablet, laptop, or TV. The floating speaker can even be removed and used on its own, giving you up to 8 hours of wireless playback. Part speaker, part science experiment, and part home decor. This is one gadget your guests will never stop talking about.
Number 12. Divoom Pixoo 64. If your desk setup feels boring, this gadget can completely transform it. The Divoom Pixoo 64 is a massive pixel art display that turns any space into a customizable digital masterpiece. With a bright 64 by 64 LED screen, you can display everything from retro pixel art and animated GIFs to custom messages, clocks, and eye-catching animations. Using the Divoom app, you can create your own designs or browse thousands of creations shared by users around the world. One minute, it's a retro gaming scene. The next, it's a moving piece of digital art. Powered by Wi-Fi and designed to run all day, it's perfect for gaming setups, home offices, bedrooms, or streaming backgrounds. It's part decoration, part digital canvas, and one of the coolest ways to give your space a personality upgrade.
Number 11. Ever wanted to turn your ideas into real objects? This 3D printer makes it surprisingly easy. The Ender can print at speeds up to 250 millimeters per second, helping you create models much faster than most entry-level printers. What makes it stand out is its automatic leveling system. Instead of spending time adjusting settings, it handles the hard part for you, making it perfect for beginners. It also supports popular materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU, so you can print everything from custom tools to creative projects. Fast, quiet, and easy to use, this is the kind of gadget that turns imagination into reality.
Number 10. Staedtler Noris Digital Stylus. What if your favorite pencil could work on a tablet? That's exactly what this gadget does. The Staedtler Noris Digital Stylus looks like a classic pencil, but it's actually a powerful tool for digital writing and drawing. Unlike most styluses, it never needs charging, batteries, Bluetooth, or setup. Just pick it up and start writing instantly. With over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, it feels incredibly natural, whether you're taking notes, sketching, or designing artwork. It works with popular devices like Samsung Galaxy Tabs, Kindle Scribe, Remarkable 2, and more. Simple, reliable, and surprisingly satisfying to use, this is the kind of gadget that makes digital note-taking feel like real pen and paper. Number 9. Birdfy Smart Bird Feeder. This isn't just a bird feeder. It's like having a wildlife documentary happening right outside your window. The built-in camera automatically records every feathered visitor and sends notifications straight to your phone, so you'll never miss an unexpected guest. Day or night, it captures sharp video, even using color night vision after dark. But here's the really impressive part. Its AI can identify thousands of bird species, turning every visit into a mini nature lesson. You'll instantly know who's stopping by for a snack. With a solar panel and long-lasting battery, it can run for months with almost no maintenance. Whether you're a bird lover or just curious about what's flying around your backyard, this gadget makes every day a little more interesting.
Number 8. Bushnell Tour V5 Rangefinder. Golf is hard enough without guessing distances. That's where this gadget comes in. The Bushnell Tour V5 instantly tells you exactly how far you are from the pin, helping you choose the right club with confidence. When it locks onto the flag, it gives a quick vibration and flashes a red ring, so you know you've got the target and not something behind it. The crystal clear optics make it easy to spot the pin, even from long distances, while the built-in magnetic mount lets you attach it directly to your golf cart for quick access. Trusted by professional golfers around the world, this is one of those gadgets that can genuinely improve your game.
Number 7. Music Tesla Coil. This gadget looks like it belongs in a mad scientist's lab. The moment you turn it on, it shoots real lightning arcs into the air, creating a display that's impossible to ignore. But here's where it gets even crazier. Connect your phone through Bluetooth, and the lightning starts dancing to the beat of your music. Every spark pulses in sync with the song, turning electricity into a live visual performance. Despite being small enough to fit on a desk, it produces surprisingly powerful arcs and can even light certain gas-filled tubes wirelessly. Part science experiment, part conversation starter, and part work of art, this is one of the coolest gadgets you'll ever see in action.
Number 6. Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. Forget those weak cans of compressed air. This gadget is like a miniature jet engine for cleaning. The Wolfbox MegaFlow 50 spins at up to 110,000 RPM, blasting away dust, crumbs, and debris from keyboards, PCs, car interiors, and just about anywhere dirt likes to hide. With 3 power levels, you can switch from gentle cleaning to seriously powerful airflow in seconds. And unlike disposable air cans, this one is completely rechargeable, saving money over time. Despite its impressive power, it weighs less than half a pound, making it easy to carry wherever you need it. If you love keeping your tech clean, this might be one of the most satisfying gadgets you'll ever use.
Number 5. Kinetic Desk Toy. At first glance, this looks impossible. There's a metal ball that appears to float in midair, while the entire sculpture spins in a mesmerizing spiral motion. Give it a gentle spin, and it can rotate for several minutes, creating an optical illusion that's surprisingly hard to stop watching. Everyone who sees it ends up reaching for it. But it's more than just a cool desk decoration. Many people use it as a stress reliever or focus tool during work, study sessions, or long meetings. Made from solid metal with a sleek, modern design, it looks just as good sitting on your desk as it does spinning. Simple, satisfying, and oddly addictive, this is one of those gadgets you'll find yourself playing with every day.
Number 4. Magnetic Car Phone Mount. Most phone mounts do one thing: hold your phone. This one feels like it was engineered for a race car. With powerful magnets and a heavy-duty suction system, it keeps your phone locked in place, even on rough roads, sharp turns, and sudden stops. Once it's attached, it's not going anywhere. The dual-axis design and 360-degree rotation let you find the perfect viewing angle in seconds, whether you're using navigation, taking calls, or controlling your music. And thanks to its smart cooling design, airflow can circulate behind your phone, helping prevent overheating during long drives. Compact, incredibly strong, and ridiculously convenient, this is one of those car gadgets you'll wonder how you ever lived without.
Number 3. Enviroscape Silver Springs Fountain. If your room feels a little too noisy or stressful, this gadget can change the entire atmosphere in seconds. The Enviroscape Silver Springs Fountain brings the soothing sound of flowing water right to your desk, nightstand, or office. Water gently cascades down 3 illuminated tiers, creating a relaxing waterfall effect that looks as good as it sounds. Built-in lighting adds a soft glow, making it perfect for bedrooms, meditation spaces, or late-night relaxation. Just fill it with water, flip the switch, and let the quiet pump continuously circulate the water while you unwind. Part home decor and part stress relief machine, this is one of those gadgets that makes any space feel instantly more peaceful.
Number 2. Wuben G5 Flashlight. Don't let the size fool you. This tiny flashlight is packed with features that make it feel like a gadget straight out of a spy movie. It pumps out up to 400 lumens of brightness, easily lighting up campsites, trails, garages, and emergency situations. But that's just the beginning. The rotating head lets you aim the beam in almost any direction, while the built-in magnet allows it to stick to metal surfaces for hands-free lighting. It also features colorful RGB lighting modes, warning flashes, and beacon effects for extra versatility. Rechargeable, waterproof, and small enough to fit on a keychain, this is one of those gadgets you'll be glad to have the moment you need it.
Number 1. Govee Gaming Light Bars. If your gaming setup still looks ordinary, these light bars can change that in seconds. Using advanced RGDIC technology, they display multiple colors at the same time, creating vibrant lighting effects that instantly make your desk look more futuristic. But the real magic happens when you start gaming. These lights react to in-game audio, music, and sound effects, flashing and changing colors in sync with the action on screen. With over 60 lighting scenes and millions of color combinations, you can customize the atmosphere for intense gaming sessions or a more relaxed vibe. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or just love cool tech, these light bars make every setup look next level.